Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Virgo in April 2025. This month offers a unique blend of introspection and forward momentum, challenging you to balance careful planning with the courage to embrace change. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. For Virgos, April 2025 brings a focus on expansion through learning, travel, and higher perspectives. With your ruling planet Mercury starting the month in retrograde motion, reflection is key, especially around personal beliefs, education, and big-picture goals. However, by mid-month, the sky's clear, encouraging you to take practical steps forward. Mercury retrograde March 15 to April 7. As Mercury governs Virgo, you may feel its retrograde effects more intensely. Until April 7th, focus on reviewing past plans, rethinking educational or travel goals, and revisiting old ideas that deserve a second look. Miscommunications can arise, so be extra clear in conversations and avoid rushing decisions. Mars in Taurus. All month long, Mars travels through fellow Earth sign Taurus, activating your sector of expansion, higher learning, and spiritual growth. This is excellent for long-term planning, studying something new, or committing to personal growth, especially once Mercury goes direct. Venus enters Taurus April 30. As April ends, Venus joins Mars in Taurus, further emphasizing your ninth house of exploration and discovery. This could bring opportunities for meaningful travel, educational breakthroughs, or even romantic experiences linked to learning or cultural exchanges. Career finances. April favors refining long-term goals rather than making drastic career moves. After Mercury turns direct on April 7th, communication at work flows more smoothly, making this an ideal time for strategic discussions or presentations. Venus in Taurus, at the end of the month, may bring financial benefits through educational investments, publishing, or international business ventures. Pro tip, if you've been considering a course, certification, or specialized training, this is a great month to commit, especially after the 7th. Relationships. With Mars energizing your quest for new experiences, relationships benefit from shared adventures and intellectual stimulation. If you're partnered, consider planning a trip or taking a class together. For single Virgos, connections formed through learning environments, cultural events, or travel could blossom into something meaningful. Venus in Taurus brings a sensual and grounded energy, reminding you that love grows best when you nurture it with patience and care. Health and well-being. April's cosmic energy encourages a holistic approach to health, mind, body, and spirit. With Mercury retrograde early in the month, focus on reviewing your daily routines and health habits. Mars in Taurus supports physical strength through consistent, steady effort. Think strength training, yoga, or hiking. Avoid extremes. Slow and steady wins the race. Best days for success. April 7th, Mercury turns direct, clearing mental fog and restoring clarity in plans and communication. April 19th, the Sun aligns with the North Node, illuminating your path forward. Watch for signs and synchronicities. April 30th, Venus enters Taurus, blessing your pursuits in learning, travel, and long-term growth. What to avoid? April 1st to 7. The final stretch of Mercury retrograde can bring misunderstandings and errors. Avoid signing contracts or committing to big decisions until after Mercury goes direct. April 20. Mars in Taurus squares Pluto in Aquarius, stirring up tension between personal expansion and day-to-day responsibilities. Avoid power struggles and inflexible thinking. April 2025 offers Virgo a beautiful balance between reflection and action. By honoring both your need for practical planning and your desire to explore new horizons, you'll lay the groundwork for meaningful growth. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. How do you plan to embrace growth this month? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss your next cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.